With the Memos tool, administrators can send staff messages from within RotaCloud, meaning you can reach out to individuals or even your whole team in seconds. To open the Memos tool, click the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner of your RotaCloud account. This will open the Send Memo window. Here you can enter a subject, and below you can write your message. Below the message is where you choose which staff will receive your memo. Simply tick all of the employees that you wish to send the memo to. You can use the search bar to find a particular person, or if you use groups in RotaCloud, you can enter a group name here to easily send a message to several people. When you're ready, click the Send button, and your message will be sent to the employees' registered email addresses. The email will be sent from RotaCloud, but any replies will be directed to your registered email address on your RotaCloud account. You can view all of the info about your sent memos on your Memo History page. To access this, click on the View a History link at the top of the Send Memo window. On this page, you'll see a summary of all of your account's memos, including the date it was sent, the sender and subject, the number of users it was sent to, and how many of those opened the message. Click on any memo to see more information about it. You'll be able to reread the memo in full, as well as see a list of all its recipients. Anyone who's not yet opened the memo will have a grey tick to the left of their name. However, if they have opened it, then a green tick will be shown instead.